Hey, what a fine day it is, isn't it? To watch a tutorial video, I mean. And this tutorial video is on MetaMask and it's on how you guys can log out of MetaMask. Now, for those people who do not know MetaMask, MetaMask is a digital crypto wallet. Since cryptocurrencies are digital and you can't store it in a physical wallet, you need to have a digital wallet on your phone or your PC or anywhere which is digital or like which uses electricity, all right? And MetaMask is one of those wallets. And MetaMask is a digital wallet for storing cryptocurrencies. And I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log out from your MetaMask wallet. Now, before I show you the way, I want you guys to hit the like and subscribe to our channel app tutorial for future crypto related videos just like this or MetaMask related videos just like this. Alright. And if you guys have any question related with the video, you can drop it down in the comment. I will be solving you guys by replying it to it or making a video on that topic. Alright. So let's move forward. So to log out from your MetaMask wallet, first you need to open your wallet and be logged in into your account. Because how can you log out of an account if you're not even logged in into it? Alright. So make sure you're logged into an account actually to log out from it, or this won't even make any sense. So basically I have already logged in into my MetaMask account over here. Now to log out, click on this three line and click on where it says logout at the bottom. And once you do that, click on yes and shebang. I'm out of my MetaMask account. Now to log in back to it again, I can enter my account's password and I should be good to go. So let me just do that real quick and boom, I'm back into my account again just like that. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can log out from MetaMask. And if you guys understand this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial for future videos just like this. And I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye everybody.